Hello friends, we are discussing about SSB, and in this the day 2. In day 2 you have psychological test. There are 4 types of psychological test conducted, and the first will be TAT, means thematic apperception test. In this you have shown a number of pictures and you have to write a story on them. This is same like as the picture shown to us during the stage 1 test in the PP and DT. The process is same, so we learn here about how to write the story. So TAT is a test of imagination in which the candidate is show a hazy picture. The picture will be hazy, and the level of haziness will be depend on the board. There are several different boards in our country, and different board have different level of haziness. For it show a hazy picture for a particular time, during which he is required to plan a story around the picture, and then in additional time write in it given answer sheet without going in margin. Like, you have to plan the story and write the story. A answer sheet is given to you and you have to describe what led to the picture and what happened afterwards. Conclusion your conclusion will be achievement of goals. It means you will definitely achieve the goals, means positive behavior. And further action, your action will be completed. Remember, the situation itself present the central idea of the story. Your story must be around the picture about which the candidate write what he planned around the picture. It means the picture contains the central idea around which you have to write a story around the picture. Now some rules are also there. These rules also briefed by the psychologist. 10 or 12 pictures will be shown, and the last picture will be a blank picture. So you have to plan a good story for the blank picture. In this blank picture you write your own story, but remember, without repeating the previous or same story, or without following the same method. You will not follow the same method as like in your previous stories. And a picture is shown to you for 30 seconds, means the time for projection is 30 seconds and time for writing is 4 minutes. So write all that you plan in a systematic way according to priority and in sequence. Describe everything you plan and happened. After 3 minutes, when in the 4 minutes 3 minutes passes, examiner will say 1 minute more. This is the time to help you in binding up the story. So after 3 minutes you have to conclude the story. After 4 minutes he says, look at next picture. 10 to 12 pictures are shown in the same series, which is again show for 30 seconds, followed by 4 minute writing till at the end of the last picture, that was a blank picture. If you keep writing after the psychologist said that stop writing, examiner will go to the table and strike out your story. So, as the psychologist say, stop writing. Immediately drop your pen. Otherwise, your sheet will be strike out. Now, some steps for the preparation. How to prepare that? Remember, it is your knowledge of the environment. In what environment you are living. If you are living about in a rural area and you will write about the urban, then how it is possible? So try to relate all the stories with your background in which you spend your life till the age of 18 or 19, whatever your age is now. Which means your knowledge of the environment, which becomes the basis of your perception. So take following steps. Some look at the picture with the background and look what is important infrastructure is shown in the picture. Also, what action is doing in the picture. Then identify the characters. How many characters are there? Who is the central character or main character? This is also called as hero. You have to give a name या status to the hero. Please give a short and modern name like that. Side characters are also present, maybe or may not be. If there is one person, then he is the hero. If there are 3 to 4 persons, then don't give names to other person. Only give name to the hero or the central character. Attitude. What is your attitude? Always positive for all the characters. Your attitude will be positive. And please give a pleasant and practical attitude. It is very necessary. A pleasant and practically possible. Don't give any hypothetical ideas. Decide the theme and write the story. Very simple process. Also, you will remember some things that don't use. Some words are also there. Don't give a heading or a title to the story. Like that, the thirsty crow. Don't give like that heading. The greedy dog. There is no heading for the story. Don't make any moral lessons. There will be no moral lessons in your story. It means you are copying, because you can't make any moral values like that. You write all the old moral values, just like a friend in need is a friend indeed. And never use any old name of the hero, like whatever you can say. Every story must have different name. One thing is to remember, there are different names. It will that you are very cooperative in your friends and you remember lot of names. You can give your name of your friends. And don't use modal verbs. You will not use the modal verbs like may, might, can, could, because these words don't complete the work. So if you think the one line is that so that he may achieve, then convert this line it he achieved it. Complete the action. And don't use imperative sentences. Any imperative sentences is very negative. So don't use any imperative sentences. Never use the word I and you. I and you. These words will never be used. Write the story in third person singular. Means he or she. Every action should be in active voice. Every action should be in active voice, indicating that the hero did it. It means action should be done by hero. It is the you. In hero, your characters are being shown. Write the story always in simple past tense. Simple past tense. Don't use the is, am, are and ing type this. Simple past tense means you have completed the work. Never use or, try, if, etc. Made efforts like that. You will not use like that. Or, try, if, etc. These are not good words for a good officer like qualities. And don't make a negative result story. If you see a negative picture is there, if someone is dead, then don't make him dead. If you perceive that the person seen in the picture is dead, then don't show in his dead in the story. Try to convert him alive and being face an accident and took to the hospital and try to recover the person. A negative result story is not a good story. And I have some tips for you. Please make 20 stories at home before going to SSB. You have to create 20 stories. In next videos, I will give you some ideas that how to prepare stories and make story. Also prepare a story for the blank picture. Thank you.